Welcome all. In this video, let me share with you the importance of note making. Actually, in your examination, you can easily score 8 marks when you are thorough with the format. Reading comprehension has note making as one of your questions. It is given to test your reading skills. Now, why is note making very important? It is important for you to know the important points, and moreover, you needn't have to read or carry all the points, or you needn't have to carry or remember the entire passage. So when you put it in notes, it is easy for you. Now let us go into the format. Now before that, you must remember 3 main points. The first point, how to bring a note making very effectively. The first point is, you must use minimum 4 subdivisions or 3 subdivisions or subtitles or subheadings. The next point, first one is minimum 4 subdivisions, subtitles can be used. The second point, strictly you're not supposed to use a complete sentence. You're not supposed to use a complete sentence, but you must use a phrase. You must not include auxiliary verbs and articles, but you must use as a phrase. The third one is, you must use abbreviations. The generalized form of abbreviations or the abbreviations what you make on your own can be used. So these are the 3 things where you have to generally use. And when you're writing about the 4 subtitles and the subpoints, remember to write a title. Title is very essential when you are writing a note making, and the same title can be written or can be carried when you are writing a summary writing. Now first let us finish the note making and then go for the summary writing. So as I told you, minimum 4 subtitle or subpoints should be used. Complete sentences should not be used. No writing complete sentences, and complete sentences should not be written, and abbreviations should be written. That is very important while writing a note making. Now let me tell you the format, how to write. Now for example, when I talk about water scarcity, that's the topic what I have read the passage. Now the passage will be given. You have to read the passage twice and make a dot on the difficult words, on the main points. You cannot underline. You have to make a dot on the difficult points, on the main points. So read the passage twice. You will get an overall idea. When you get an overall idea, after that start making subdivisions and start writing subtitles, and just give a title and work on it. Now, and use abbreviations of course. Now the topic what I have chosen is water scarcity. Now this is the margin. You are writing the question number 1. Okay, that's the question number. The subtitle will be here 1. So here the subtitle is availability. AVAILABILITY. So the subtitle is availability. Then diagonal to this will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Suppose if you want some more points you want to have some more points with this subtitle, you can have it as 1.3.1, 1.3.2. Or if you want to stop with 1.3, you can just leave it. Now what is this 1.1? So you can talk about water scarcity. So this is scarcity of life. That's it. Okay, it should be not incomplete sentences. Next, most difficult, see I've abbreviated, most difficult seasons. Most difficult seasons. that is in summer, or most difficult situations. Okay, most difficult situations. Okay, most difficult situations in summer. So that is how you can write. And people fetch water. People fetch water to faraway places. So those lines also can be abbreviated. For example, when you're talking about people, you can just write like this, as you are using the simple way of abbreviations. So then again, next will be the second subtitle. So you are using a subtitle, again diagonal to this, it is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So these, and again similarly for third subtitle. So third one you are going to use 3, 3.1, similarly like this, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So this is note making. After you finish this, what you're supposed to do is, at the end, in the bottom, three things you have to remember again. At the end, bottom, and to the left. At the end, bottom and left, you have to write the abbreviations. Okay, minimum 5 to 6 abbreviations can be written in this box. Now what is the heading you are going to give? Key to abbreviations. Abbreviation spelling must be right. ABBREVIATIONS. Key to abbreviations. And what are the abbreviations you have used? People. Okay, so that will be people. Then scarcity, similarly like that. This is note making. After that, the summary writing. Summary writing, title must be given. The same title can be given there. What is scarcity? And write it in one paragraph. Write it in one paragraph, and the word limit is 80 words. You should not write it in 2 paragraphs. You should write it in one paragraph with the same title, what is scarcity, and the word limit should be 80 words. Now to write in a paragraph, CBSE is very particular about the format. So how will you write it in a paragraph? How will you show it is in the next paragraph? So for example, you are writing the title here. You are starting with a line here and you are going to finish it here. And again, if you want to show it as a next paragraph, you are going to start it right from here. No leaving space. When you are starting a sentence, you are not supposed to leave a space, and you have to start writing and keep a full stop here and again start the next sentence, and again you have to complete. So when you are finishing here, you cannot say you are starting with the next paragraph. So leave some space. Maybe you can leave some space here or here or here. So if you leave a space in the previous line, you will know that you are starting with the next paragraph. So it should be in one paragraph, or you can have 2-3 paragraphs, but it should be in 80 words. Maybe it is possible for you to write only in one paragraph. So this is summary writing. Okay, summary writing, which is in 80 words. So note making and summarizing carries 8 marks. When you are thorough with the format, you can easily score 8 marks. Thank you for watching.